Mr. Timothy Antoine, Governor of the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, and other delegates of the ECCB, Mr. Halim Brizan, Head of the CARICOM Regional Statistical Program and delegates of CARICOM, Mr. Dindial Ramaratan, Statistician, CDB, Ms. Anna Luisa Pafhausen, Economist, World Bank, Mr. Roy Katayama, Senior Economist, World Bank, Ms. Veronica Charles, Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Social Development, Grenada, Directors of Statistics and staff within the statistics offices of the OECS region, representatives from the Ministry of Finance, St. Lucia, government officials from St. Lucia, staff of the OECS Commission, especially the staff of the Project Implementing Unit of the World Bank funded Data for Decision Making Project, children and teachers of the National Combined School Choir, other specially invited guests, all other well-wishers, media and online participants. The launch of our Regional Data Governance Council today marks a significant milestone in the restructuring of statistics in the OECS. This step signals our united front as we embark on a journey to navigate the uncharted terrains of our digital age, guided by data. It has often been said that data is the new oil, a metaphor that signifies that data is the fuel that is propelling the fourth industrial revolution. In much the same way that oil powered the industrial age, data is fueling the information age, powering economies, driving innovations, and creating new opportunities. It is important to note, however, that data in its raw form may not hold value. It is the processing, analysis, and interpretation of data that unleashes its potential. Data in its essence is not merely numbers and figures. It is the embodiment of our societies, reflecting our strengths, revealing our weaknesses, and providing a roadmap to forge ahead towards development that is truly inclusive and sustainable. The OECS Regional Data Governance Council is designed to be the beacon that guides our collective journey in managing and utilizing data across our region. The revised Treaty of Basse, mandating the establishment of the Economic Union, speaks to several imperatives that presuppose and require the standardization, systematic collection, effective management, and intelligent utilization of data. These imperatives include balanced and sustainable economic and social progress and cohesion, harmonious development through intersectoral linkages, continuous economic growth and expansion through optimal utilization of domestic and economic union-wide resources, accelerated improvement in the standard of living, reduction and ultimately elimination of poverty, and increased levels of economic and social stability. To address the vital data and information requirements of the Economic Union in a holistic, integrated, inclusive, and coordinated way, a regional approach emerged as being indispensable, thus establishing a single entry point for investing in official statistics. In so doing, efficiency gains, economies of scale, and aid effectiveness and program alignment would be hallmarks of a broad and dynamic statistical development agenda. But let us not forget, data governance is not merely a technological or regulatory challenge. It is inherently tied to our social fabric, impacting our economies, our policies, and our everyday lives. And as we delve deeper into the realms of the digital world, the necessity of ensuring that data serves people, all people, equitably and justly becomes paramount. The Regional Strategy for the Development of Statistics Data Governance Council. The need for a regional strategy was communicated and articulated by member states and encouraged by the development partners who have been investing in official statistics for well over 35 years. To that end, the National Statistics Offices, the OECS Commission, and the ECCB collaborated on the design of the OECS Regional Strategy for the Development of Statistics, the RSDS, with the support of the World Bank, United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, the UK at the time Department for International Development, DFID, and Partnerships for Investment in Statistics in the 21st Century, or the Paris 21. Further to this, the OECS Commission, Grenada, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines, in collaboration with the World Bank, commenced the OECS Data for Decision Making Regional Project, the DDM, which was approved on May 17, 2022 by the World Bank Board of Directors. The project's development objective is to improve the capacity of participating and ultimately all Eastern Caribbean countries to produce and publicly disseminate statistical data for country and regional level analysis. And secondly, to provide an immediate and effective response to an eligible emergency. An essential outcome of the project is the complete redesign of the organizational and regulatory legal architecture for statistics in the OECS Commission, and the strengthening and empowerment of the national statistical offices in the member states. This re-engineering is absolutely necessary for their modernization and to enable these institutions to effectively deploy new technologies, adhere to international statistics best practices, and obligate them as official repositories of all data and statistics. The Data for Decision Making project is providing the resources to establish the Regional Data Governance Council, the RDGC. The Regional Council is established as a high-level coordination arrangement to guide the development and oversee the implementation of the regional statistical development strategy. It also provides a body to ensure that data harmonization in support of the regional strategy for the development of statistics is fulfilled through high-quality statistical support activities. It is a decision-making body for the governance of official statistics in the OECS in support of the revised Treaty of Bastille. The Council will be tasked with harmonizing data policies and practices, including how economic, social, climate, and environmental data are captured, produced, managed, and propagated across the OECS region. The RDGC and its subcommittees and working groups will lead the decisions on statistical harmonization, on the review of new instruments and methods, and make recommendations to the NSOs based on the findings. Our new council is mandated to ensure that data is managed, protected, and utilized effectively, safeguarding the integrity and privacy of our citizens while ensuring transparency and accountability in our digital undertakings. As we inaugurate the Regional Data Governance Council today, we are not just launching an entity. We are nurturing a vision of regional cooperation, ethical data management, and data-driven decision-making that propels our societies towards a future where technology is a tool of empowerment, innovation, and shared prosperity. Together, under the auspices of this Council, let us strive to pave the way for a future where data is a catalyst for positive change, where innovation thrives and no one is left behind in the journey towards digital transformation. Thank you for being here, for sharing in this vision, and for being active contributors to a future shaped by responsible and empowering data governance. Let us embark on this exciting journey with commitment and collaborative spirit, ensuring a future where our digital endeavors blossom under the diligent guardianship of robust data governance. Thank you.